Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can move your plants and grow a garden. So you're going to go to the gear shop and you're going to buy the trowel. I think that's what it's called, the trowel, not the shovel. The trowel, and you're just going to find it in your inventory, and then you're going to select the plant you want to move. Let's see, which one should I move? I think I'm going to move this so it's not that close to each other. I'll just move the coconut one, and you can even like rotate it so it faces the other way, and you're just going to press it again to place it like this, and that's pretty much how you can move plants. If you want to destroy it, you just need the shovel one, but to move you'll need the like trowel. I think I might move these two, but let's see later. Like, they're all over the place. I'm like the worst gardener here. So yeah, that is it. Also, why is this tree so tall? How am I supposed to climb that high? Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.